Hello everyone, I am Rohini Thomre, lecturer, Computer Technology Department, Kekevac Polytechnic, Nasik. In this video, I will be going to explain practical number 11 from course Fundamental of ICT. The title of this practical is Sort, Filter and Validate Data. Let us first discuss the practical significance. In spreadsheets, sort and filter are some of the most commonly used features. These features are used to change the order of data, to sort the data, to focus on a specific set of data, filter a range of cells or a table and data validation. This practical develop the ability to apply data sorting, filter the data based on defined criteria and data validation features of spreadsheet. The relevant course outcome is interpret data and represent it graphically using spreadsheet. After performing this practical, you will be able to apply data sorting, filtering of data and data validation features. To perform this practical, you need some practical skills. First, you have to apply ascending and descending sort of data of spreadsheet. You have to apply filter on specific field of spreadsheet, and also you have to apply the validation of data of spreadsheet. Some of the theory behind this practical is worksheets are very important tool in any office related operation. Conditional formatting, that is formatting the range of data based on some conditions, filtering of data based on defined criteria, sorting of data based on specified criteria, applying operation of given range of data by referencing the range by names, data validation, that is entered data is accepted only when it meets some of the defined condition. All worksheet tools gives the facility to format existing data based on the condition. So you can segregate data with specific background color or forecolor. You can also do the sorting of data in either ascending or descending order. You can validate the data which is entered by the user using different data validation rules. To perform this practical, you require the resources like computer system. You can use any desktop or laptop with basic configuration. Also, you require Office software package. You may go with OpenOffice, StarOffice, LibreOffice, MS Office or any other such software. In this practical, you are going to perform the operations like data sorting, filtering a range of data, conditional formatting and data validation. So let us discuss the procedure one by one. To perform the data sorting, select the cell range you want to sort. After that, select the relevant option to activate sort command. The sort dialog box will appear. You have to decide the sorting order, either ascending or descending. Once you have satisfied with your selection, click on OK button. The cell range will be sorted by selected column. The second, you can filter a range of data. To perform this operation, you have to select the relevant option to activate filter command. A drop down arrow will appear in the header cell for each column. Then click the drop down arrow for the column you want to filter. Also, the filter menu will appear. Select or specify the filter criteria. When you are done, click on OK button. The worksheet data will be filtered according to your search term. The next, you can do the conditional formatting by following the procedure like select the cells to which you want to apply the conditional formatting. On the relevant tab or menu, click the option related to conditional formatting. Then select the type of criterion you want to use. Enter the value you want to reference in the text box. Then click the relevant options and select the desired formatting. Finally, click on OK button. You can perform the data validation by using this procedure. First, select cells where you want to enter the data. Then, on the relevant menu, choose option for validation. Then, in Setting tab, choose the custom option, specify or choose the relevant validation condition for preventing duplicate data, restrict the data to a given range, no leading or trailing space, no blank space, and then click on OK button when done. Now, in this practical, you have to perform the exercise like enter 10 names in a column and sort in descending order. The second exercise is enter percentage of students in your batch and sort it in ascending order. You have a practical related questions like write any two data validation conditions. Explain the concept of filter to be applied to a worksheet, and then write one benefit of applying conditional formatting on data. Let us discuss the answer of practical related questions one by one. The first question is write any two data validation conditions. So the answer of this condition is data validation allow specific entries in a cell on a worksheet. For example, you can format all the cells based on their values. The next rule is format only cells that contains. Then next rule, format only top and bottom values. Format only unique and duplicate values. These are the different data validation conditions provided in worksheet. The second question is explain the concept of filter to be applied to a worksheet. The answer is filters are used to narrow down the data in your worksheet and allowing you to view only the information that you need. To apply filter, select the data tab, then click the filter command. The third question is write one benefits of applying conditional formatting on data. So the benefit of applying conditional formatting is it is important for formatting cells data according to the requirement. Also, it can be used for highlighting purpose, for highlighting cells, current status, and also various rows and columns, and this enhances the readability of data. So this is all about practical number 11 from course Fundamental of ICT. Thank you for watching.